Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to accept credit card payments on your Shopify store using Stripe? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to add Stripe to Shopify in 2025 and start receiving payments securely. Let's get started. Before we begin, keep in mind that Shopify payments is the default payment processor for many countries. However, if Shopify payments isn't available in your region, you can still add Stripe manually. To check, go to Shopify admin, then select settings. Now select payments. See if Shopify payments is available. If not, you will need to add Stripe as third-party provider. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, go to stripe.com and sign up. Click sign up and enter your business details. Add your bank account to receive payouts. Verify your identity by submitting necessary documents. Once your Stripe account is set up, let's integrate it with Shopify. Now let's connect Stripe to Shopify. Go to settings from Shopify dashboard, then select payments in Shopify dashboard. Now click choose a provider under third-party providers. Search for Stripe. And select it. Click connect and log into your Stripe account. Grant Shopify permission to process payments through Stripe. And that's it. Stripe is now linked to your Shopify store. Now let's fine-tune your payment settings. Accepted payment method. Enable Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and other options. Automatic payouts. Choose how often you want to receive payments in your bank account. Fraud protection. Enable 3D secure payments to reduce chargebacks. Make sure to test your checkout process before going live. Before launching, always test your checkout process. Go to Shopify admin dashboard, then settings, then payments. Enable test mode in Stripe. Place a test order using a dummy credit card number. If the transaction is successful, disable test mode and start accepting real payments. Congratulations! Your Shopify store now connected to Stripe and you are ready to accept secure credit card payments worldwide. And that's how you add Stripe to Shopify in 2025. Sign up for Stripe, connect Stripe to Shopify, configure payment settings, and test and launch. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.